Good afternoon, TMS. TMS 7th and 8th grade students interested in participating in track may sign up in the main office. Students are reminded a current physical must be on file in the office in order to begin practice. There will be an informational meeting on Thursday, February 20th at 3 p.m. in the cafeteria.
The school store will be closed for the next several days for maintenance and restocking. Please check out the cozy blanket raffle. One winner will be selected to receive a blanket, hot chocolate, popcorn, and slime.
Looks like the school poll showed a clear favorite. Chocolate came out on top with 83 votes, while Candy Hearts only got 10 votes. Seems like the most people prefer the classic sweetness of chocolate over Candy Hearts. Are you surprised by the results? Also, the following students won their pick of their sweet treats: Will Kimmet, Kihorany Newlove, Kam Carter-Banks, Kihorany, Ehrin Schoen, and Bella Swartz. Please stop down at the media center to claim your prize.
The Tiffin Middle School wrestling team sent 4 wrestlers to the junior high districts. Vinny Bustecker, Julian Gossman, Blake Gibson, and Cameron Wizzy. Vinny placed 5th and Julian 2nd, both moving on to junior high state. Congratulations to all 4 wrestlers for competing over the weekend. However, the pen will not meet this week due to parent-teacher conferences.
Lunch will serve spaghetti and meatballs, rolls, green beans, salad, grapes, and a cherry sidekick.
These have been your afternoon announcements.
Tornado Pride, we don't stop.